Hey, here is something you'll absolutely love. If you're a woodworker, you can get instant access to over 16,000 woodworking projects in the next 5 minutes or less. Ted has spent years putting together Earth's largest collection of woodworking plans. I'm talking about 16,000 done-for-you plans with step-by-step instructions, photos and diagrams to make every project laughably easy. And the best part is, it doesn't matter if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. You can download the entire Ted's Woodworking 16,000 plans package and all the bonuses right now. Plus, you'll get the option of getting everything on DVDs. You can be going through all the plans in just a few minutes from now. Experience the joy. The satisfaction, to know with 100% certainty that your project will turn out exactly the way you want it to look. It's an incredible feeling, being able to wake up on a Saturday morning and get to work on your project with absolute confidence it will turn out right. With no strange gut feeling you'll make a mistake, or you won't finish what you start. That's the way woodworking is supposed to be. This is a time-limited offer. Ted is running a time-limited launch discount, and the complete package of plans is 77% off the regular price. This special launch offer will close soon, and you won't be able to get in at this price after that even if you want to. So, grab your discount while it lasts. Don't miss out on this. Have a great day and talk soon. Click the link below to get instant access. P.S. Ted's collection of plans is some of the best I've seen. If you're a woodworker, you really don't want to miss out on this great deal. Click the link to download the free plans.